Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready because Google just unleashed a massive wave of AI announcements at their Cloud Next conference, and trust me, this stuff is game-changing. We're talking about chips that dwarf supercomputers, AI that actually thinks, and a future where different AI systems team up to solve problems. Google Cloud is basically planting its flag firmly in the AI battleground, going head-to-head with the likes of Microsoft and Amazon. They're not just tweaking things, they're rolling out entirely new hardware, seriously upgraded AI models, and even tools to build ecosystems of AI agents. Let's break it all down. First up, let's talk about the muscle. Google unveiled its 7th generation tensor processing unit, or TPU, codenamed Ironwood. And get this, Google claims a single pod of these delivers over 42 exaflops of computing power. That's reportedly 24 times more powerful than the world's current leading supercomputer, El Capitan. Insane, right? Now, here's the key shift. Ironwood is specifically designed for inference. That means it's optimized not just for training these huge AI models, but for running them efficiently once they're trained, using them to solve real-world problems. Google calls this the age of inference, and critically, Ironwood is twice as power efficient as the previous generation. That's huge, considering the massive energy footprint of AI is a major concern. Google's tackling that head on, but the hardware news doesn't stop there. Google is also opening up its massive private network, the same 2 million mile fiber network that powers YouTube and Gmail, to businesses through a service called Cloud WAN. They're saying this can boost network performance by up to 40% and cut costs by a similar amount compared to companies managing their own networks. Basically, Google is turning its internal superhighway into a product you can use. Pretty bold move. Okay, hardware is cool, but what about the AI brains? Google is expanding its Gemini family with Gemini 2.5 Flash. This isn't just about spitting out answers. Google describes these as thinking models. Instead of just generating a response directly, they can break down complex problems, perform multi-step reasoning, and even do a form of self-reflection to check their work. Gemini 2.5 Pro, launched recently, targets super complex tasks like drug discovery. This new Flash version is designed to be more cost-effective, adjusting its thinking depth based on how complex your request is. And Google is seriously beefing up its creative AI tools within Vertex AI. Imagen gets updates for better image generation. VO is their text-to-video model. Chirp handles audio. And introducing Lyria, a text-to-music model. They even demoed how these tools can work together on the Vertex AI platform to create a whole promotional concert video, generating visuals, custom music, and even editing out unwanted things from video clips. It's becoming a powerful, integrated creative suite. Now, this next part is really looking towards the future. Google isn't just thinking about single AI systems. They're building an environment where multiple AI agents can work together, even agents from different companies. They've introduced an agent development kit, ADK, to make building these multi-agent systems easier. They claim less than 100 lines of code needed. And crucially, they're proposing an open protocol called Agent-to-Agent, A2A. Think of A2A as a common language allowing AI agents from Google, Salesforce, ServiceNow, SAP, and over 50 other partners who've already signed on to talk and collaborate. This could be a massive shift towards interoperable AI instead of everyone being stuck in their own walled garden. And for non-coders, they're improving agent space with things like an agent gallery to find available agents, and Agent Designer, a no-code tool to build your own. They showed how a bank manager could use this to analyze portfolios, predict issues, and draft client emails all without writing code. So how is this actually being used? Google highlighted tons of examples. Workspace. Help me analyze in Sheets finds insights automatically. Audio overviews in Docs create spoken versions of documents. Customer service, Wendy's AI drive-thru handles 60,000 orders a day. Home Depot's Magic Apron agent gives DIY advice. Creative, companies like WPP are using Google AI for marketing campaigns, plus agents for data analysis, coding, and security. AI is moving beyond chatbots and becoming deeply embedded in specific industry workflows. So, what does all this mean? Google is clearly positioning itself against Microsoft with its OpenAI integration and Amazon with Anthropic and its own chips. Google's strategy seems to be about offering the complete package, from their custom chips, Ironwood, and global network, Cloud One, up through powerful models, Gemini, development platforms, Vertex AI,